So using Canva is super easy to be able to edit your tags. All you need to do is make sure that you have a Canva account, and it's free, so you don't have to pay anything. You can go into these tags and you can edit the greeting on the very bottom of the tag. That is the only part that is editable on these tags. And all you do is you go up into the text box. You can click on the different kind of fonts that you want. Now, if the font has a little crown by it, that means that it is the pro version. So if you are using the free version, you would have to pay extra to use that font. But there are plenty of other fonts that are free that you can use at no cost. So all you do is you go in and you can just switch out the text. I just had a basic text there for the name area. You can add whatever greeting or name that you would like to. And then all you do is you go ahead, and I am just deleting all of the other tags that are not edited. And you take and drag over the tag that is finished and edited and go ahead and duplicate that tag. And then I just slide it over a little bit, and then I duplicate it again, and it automatically puts it where it belongs. And then I slide over and duplicate all three and then pull them down a little bit so that there's enough room on the page to be able to fit 3 more under it. And you should be able to get 12 tags on your page very easily. And then once I have my tags exactly the way I like them, I go up, and this is where I choose to download them. So I'm going to pick a printable PDF because that is the easiest and some of the nicest printing settings that you can get. I do choose the printing PDF, so it's a little bit higher quality. And then I simply just download it and let it go. So all you do is you download that file, you find it in your downloads, you send that to your home printer, and you print it on cardstock or a little bit of a heavier paper, or you send it to your local printer. It's that easy.